In this video I'm going to show you how to change the bonnet badge of a BMW. First you will need to gather the necessary items. These items include a rag or towel, an old credit card and your replacement badge. Place the rag next to the badge like I have done and start by getting your credit card underneath the badge like I'm doing. Begin by lifting the badge up with the credit card by prising it upwards. The credit card must be old as you most likely bend it and wreck it. Try and pull the badge up from all different angles. The rag is optional, this is just to protect your bonnet from scratches when you're trying to pull the badge off. As you can see, I've chucked this away as I'm not too fussed about scratching this particular car. Carry on pulling the badge up from every angle around the badge. And when it's loose enough and you can get your fingers underneath, try and pull it up like that. Once you've pulled it off, you can see it's held in with two prongs. These prongs go into two holes in your bonnet. In the holes there'll be some sort of little rubber bits that basically just keep it sturdy. You want to grab your replacement badge and making sure the rubber bits are in the holes still. You want to pop your replacement badge in using the prongs. Just slot them in the holes and push down until it's in. And there you go, you've successfully replaced your BMW badge.